dumb for sure.
All right, Annie's getting hay for the rams.
I don't really know how much. I just know it has to be filled to the top of their little metal or wire rack, but probably still isn't enough.
This is a tree farm. They have pawpaws, chestnuts. What else they got? Cherry trees.
Asian pears, nut trees like
Walnuts,
pecans.
pecans.
Uh-oh. My stuff's going away.
They got about 80 acres. Red Fern Farms, Wapello, Iowa.
Charger. It's like a solar powered battery that makes it an electric bed, so we have to make sure it's working. Oh yeah, okay, I got it.
All right.
I just didn't know if we were moving these guys. They moved them.
They moved them late. Bah!
Little bitty babies.
Pick it up. It's laying down. No, I see it. It's laying down.
It's dead already.
Look at it. It's just laying in a little fold.
Too tired to even suck on a nipple.
It was earlier.
I know.
So Annie, where do they move?
I'm not sure if it's this one or this one. I'll have to look at the map, but I think it's clockwise, so I think it's that one.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, over the next quadrant, and give them fresh water and move their mineral block into the same paddock.
They just said, do it now.
Yeah. Look at that one. It's got grass hanging out of its mouth.
These are hair sheep, right?
Yeah, something like that. People
Sweet.
eat them for Christmas dinner, apparently.
You also don't have to shear them.
Nope. Did you zoom in on the little baby?
Yeah.
By the baby tree?
Let's see, little baby right through there. Oh, it's so cute.
So Luke's gonna open the gate here. Charger's turned off. And they are waiting. They're starting to catch on. There they go! Whoa! Nope, this way, you dum-dum. Nope, this way. Ah! Bah! Oh my god! Bah! Oh my god! That one's dumb for sure. Keep shooing it over here. Oh, you gotta pet it. I'm so jealous. Oh, you got it. It's so cute. I'm so scared. Oh, it's so precious.
Oh, my little sheepy.
Hi, baby. Yeah. There you go. Luke's pulled their water over into this paddock in their mineral block. And now he's got to reset up the fence. They kind of bulldozed it over when they were so excited to cross because it had been longer than 24 hours. They'd already eaten every single leaf over here, and now they're just happier than pigs and shit going to town on this stuff over here. I didn't even really need to bribe them with my secret treats. Okay, so we're doing the chickens next. Luke's gonna collect some eggs. How many?
4 eggs.
Wow, that's pretty good.
One of them's pretty big.
Nice. Now make sure they got food and water.
Plenty of water. Excuse me. Got food. Alright, ladies. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Here are the rams.
Hey, buddy. Luke's picking him a special clover treat to have. Snack bush.
They're good. Tasty little morsels.
Maybe I should advertise them too. If you are interested in chestnuts or pawpaws, they have a lot of fruit and nut trees here. If you are interested in chestnuts or pawpaws, they have a lot of fruit and nut trees here. This is the Red Fern Farm, and they sell them, so check out their website.
I'll link it below.